Barry Morphew is a free man again, just 9 days before he was supposed to stand trial for the murder of his wife, Suzanne. A judge dismissed the charges at the prosecutor's request. They filed a motion to drop the case. We still don't know what happened to Suzanne Morphew.
Yeah, she still remains missing and has been now for nearly 2 years. And 9 News reporter Mark Salinger was in the courtroom this morning while those charges were being dismissed. Mark?
Yeah, guys, Barry and his 2 daughters started crying as they hugged each other when the judge announced the charges would be dismissed. Prosecutors say they're dropping the case because they're confident they'll be able to find Suzanne's body soon and get that new evidence. After 2 years of searching for her, they provided no new information about what evidence they have. Surrounded by his 2 daughters, Barry Morphew walked out of the courthouse in Fremont County for the first time Tuesday morning, facing no charges in the disappearance of his wife. His GPS tracker was removed, passport was returned, and the murder trial, set to start next week, was vacated.
Barry and his daughters are relieved, but they're sad because they too want to know where Suzanne Morphew is.
The charges were dismissed without prejudice, meaning new charges can be filed against Barry in the future. Barry declined to talk to the cameras. His attorney, Iris Eaton, spoke on his behalf.
Barry Morphew loves Suzanne Morphew. He loves her and he misses her, and he wants to know where Suzanne Morphew is.
The judge in the case recently issued strict sanctions against prosecutors because of repeated violations of court rulings and deadlines. Those sanctions limited 12 of the 14 expert witnesses that would have been allowed to testify, severely damaging the prosecutor's case.
They absolutely dismissed this case at this point because they knew they were going to lose this trial and Mr. Morphew was going to be acquitted and exonerated.
9 News legal analyst Scott Robinson says prosecutors had few choices but to dismiss charges.
Bottom line is prosecutors were not ready for trial. Short of appealing to the Supreme Court of Colorado, this was their only option.
The dismissal comes less than a year after District Attorney Linda Stanley called a press conference to announce that Barry was arrested. At the time, she assured the public she was confident he'd be found guilty.
And I wouldn't bring charges unless I was confident.
Stanley writes in her motion Tuesday that investigators believe they will soon find Suzanne's body buried under 5 feet of snow on a mountain above the Morphew house. After 2 years of searching with no answers, she provided no evidence about why she thinks Suzanne's body is there. Now, District Attorney Linda Stanley had been absent from court for the majority of the hearings over the past year. Today, she declined to answer any questions about why she dismissed the charges after being so confident in Barry's guilt just last year. When I went up to ask if she'd answer any questions, she simply said no and continued walking.
It's a stunner because when they say confident, they know where her body is after 2 years.
That's what they said back a year ago when they brought these charges. Of course, there have been so many searches for Suzanne Morphew's body, and there hasn't really been much that's been turned up.
And also I have to ask about the daughters, Barry's daughters and Suzanne's daughters, and we see them with their father every day, and they said something in court today.
Yeah, his daughters have been there every single step of the way, every single court date, and today they were given the opportunity to say whatever they wanted to in court. They said that they were glad that the charges were being dismissed, and they were hoping that one day they'll find the person that killed Suzanne, their mother, but they said that they have confidence that it was not Barry. They're dead.
Yeah, interesting. I mean, all of her extended family, it's a setback for everyone.
Absolutely.
In that respect. All right. Thank you, Mark.